Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Meesho on your phone. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Now, I currently use an Android phone, so I have to use Google Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone, then go ahead and launch your Apple Store. So this is my Play Store. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have the search bar. Now from the search bar, go ahead and type in Meesho and click on the search icon, and that takes you here. Now this is Meesho. I'm just going to click on Meesho and that takes me here. So in this window, you have two tabs which include uninstall and you have open. Now I have already installed and downloaded this application. That's why you have the uninstall and open option, and you don't have an option to install. But if you have not installed or downloaded the Meesho application, then this uninstall is going to change to install. So it would be install instead of uninstall. So once you go ahead and click on the install button, just click on the install button, and once you click on the install button, you're going to have to wait a couple minutes for the app to be installed. So after waiting out a couple minutes, it's going to be installed, and after it's done installing, it's going to show open. Then you're going to find this open tab. Now go ahead and click on the open tab. It's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to sign in by creating a new account or by using an existing account. That way, you can now head over to the home page and explore all the features that you can explore to have an amazing time on Meesho. This is exactly how or where you can download Meesho. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.